Welcome to Cleerline's resource video. In this video, we will be demonstrating some of the various options of how to lace a rack enclosure. Required equipment and materials. Rack enclosure. Ensure you are using the correct adapter plates to match the connector type. Termination kit. Fan-out kit. Velcro. Now let's prepare to lace a rack enclosure. First, measure out 48 inches of your cables and mark them at this length. Next, remove the jacket per manufacturer's guidelines. Using the tie-down points, secure your cables with Velcro. For additional protection, if desired, install a fan-out kit, as is required with traditional fibers. A separate video on how to install a fan-out kit can be found in the video description section. Next, measure your fibers around the cable management area, grounding once or twice, and cut fibers to length. For this next step, install connectors to your first adapter plate position and wind fibers on the cable management area. Use Velcro to secure fibers on provided tie-down points. Additionally, you can also terminate each connector and pre-install them onto the adapter plate. Once you have finished all connectors, ensure all fibers have been secured with Velcro. You have now finished lacing your rack enclosure with the different methods provided in this video. Thank you for watching our demonstration on how to properly lace a rack enclosure using loose tube fibers and a fan-out kit with the SSF-1RU-E3. For more information, please visit our website at www.cleerline.com/resources.